If you'd like to support our channel, check out my new book, Discarded Horse Feathers, available at all major online retailers. Let's begin by removing the side grille on your 2016 Audi S Q5.
It's leaking right where that blue clip is.
So right where that blue is, it's leaking.
Disconnect the hose. Just squeeze that blue part.
Yep.
And it should separate. I heard it. Like so.
Okay.
And then you can, this one is broken. But you can kind of feel around the backside and lift up on that retaining clip. That's what it's supposed to look like.
So it's missing this whole piece.
Yep.
Now it's important to have a fair amount of fluid in your washer tank. Otherwise, the headlight pumps will not spray.
Okay, you ready?
Give her.
Start leaking.
Ah.
So when this tab broke off, it broke the outside casing of the old one, and it's not
to gurgle right out.
Yeah, it's not sealing anymore, and it'll drain your whole washer tank.
Okay. Well, how about we flip-flop these, do the same test, and see if she holds. Okay. Dude, it freaking sprayed me, dude. Worked perfect.
She's not leaking either.
Alright, let's put her back together.
Okay, so slide her up in there.
With the install complete, we decided to take the front bumper off to give you an idea of exactly where these sprayers attach.
Get that out of the way. So you slide that in there. Gives you a nice little click. Ready to roll.
It's very easy to see this on this side.
Bracket.
Okay, so the fins are there, and that slotting must be on the top then, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now that the vehicle is put back together, let's top off the tank with some fresh washer fluid for the final test.
There she is! Excellent, dude!
Feel free to like and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. And also, we hope that you join us in our next video, where we show you a trick on how to get that low washer fluid light to turn off. Thanks for watching.